ever spinach and pea risotto. With only 5 ingredients, this is truly the easiest ever spinach and pea risotto. Plus, it's on the table in just 30 minutes. Get started by pouring the stock and water into a saucepan or stock pot. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Next, spray a large saucepan with olive oil spray and place over medium-low heat. Add the rice and cook stirring for 1 minute or until the grains appear glassy. Add a ladle full of stock mixture, about half a cup, to the rice. Cook stirring for 2 to 3 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. Continue adding the liquid a ladleful at a time, stirring constantly and allowing the liquid to absorb before adding more. After about 20 minutes, the rice should be tender, yet firm to bite, and the risotto should look nice and creamy. When the rice is almost ready, place the peas in a heat-proof bowl and pour over enough boiling water to cover. Let them stand for 2 minutes, then drain well. Add them to the risotto with some baby spinach and Parmesan. Stir until combined. Divide the risotto among bowls to serve. This simple risotto recipe is great for busy weeknights. It's a warming meal the whole family will love.